Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In today's video, we're going to look at how to fix error code 0x80070005 on Windows, which is preventing your computer from installing the update patch. And now, let's get started. The first step is to use an SC command. This command modifies the value of a service entry and its entry in the Service Control Manager database. We'll be using this command to configure 4 services and set them to auto start. To do this, we'll use the command prompt. First step, head down to the search bar and type in CMD. Right-click on command prompt and select Run as Administrator. All command will leave them in video description. Now, type in the following command. This command sets the Windows Update service to automatically, and you should see a success message. Then type in the following command. Again, hit enter. This configures the background intelligent transfer service to start automatically. Now, let's move to the third service. This configures the cryptographic services. Finally, the last command. This sets the trusted installer service to auto start. After hitting enter, you're done with command prompt. In the corner, now that we've configured the services, let's try restarting the computer to see if the issue is resolved. If that didn't work, here's another step you can try. Go to the search bar again and type in Troubleshoot Settings, then click to open it. Then select Additional Troubleshooter, then find Windows Update and click Run the Troubleshooter. This tool may automatically detect and resolve the issue. Then restart your computer. Hopefully, this solution worked for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.